Very second session of Talk Club, Anant nominated.
Okay.
Just random.
सो इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट द एंडिंग्स, कुछ चीज़ों को हमें लाइफ में पीछे छोड़ना ही पड़ता है. इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट माई पर्सनल प्लस प्रोफेशनल, आई एम बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ सम communities. I was being part of some societies or some NGOs for which making me not to balance my life professionally or personally as well. So people used to always put me like this, Sarika, you are very active, you are proactive, we are agree on that point, but you have to left some chapter to start some newer ones, right? So at that time it was very tougher decision for me to left those things which are very close to me, which are very connected to me. Even I was having any issues, so I used to reach out the people, like my personal family, like my genes family is another part, but that particular community is a second family for me. So that made me to push myself, that how can I left these people who are always being there for me, who was always being there for each and every decision, who was always being there for me in any ups and downs. So what I felt over here is I had to took that decision. I had to come out of my comfort zone. Then I went through that decision. I left some of the communities, and after that I got some more bigger opportunities post that, because when a chewing gum stuck to the cloths, it will make it more worse. So you have to push that chewing gum out of your clothes, and you have to move forward. So I took my step forward, and I'll just talk about the very recent case. I was being had a temporary transfer to my hometown Indore for 5 or 6 months. मेरा मन ही नहीं कर रहा था वहाँ से आने का, बिकॉज आई वॉज टू मच कम्फर्टेबल हैविंग फूड ऑफ माई मदर्स हैंड्स. इट वॉज इतना ज़्यादा अनकम्फर्टेबल थिंग, जितना मुझे मैसूर के ट्रेनिंग सेंटर से यहाँ आने में नहीं लगा, उससे ज़्यादा अनकम्फर्टेबल मैं इंदौर से यहाँ आने में गई. लास्ट वीक संडे आई केम टू बेंगलोर DC अगेन. So it was literally the very first day when I ate food at PG. So it was like I can't. I just literally want to go to home back. Then I stayed calm, and I was like, no, Sarika, you had to do this time. Whatever goals you have prepared for yourself, whatever thing you have been pinned for yourself, noted for yourself, you have to do that. And the next day I realized that yeah, I'm again back to my zone here at Bangalore DC. Whatever I was feeling, the gaps, the communication things, the networking parts, now I'm very happy that yeah, I came out of that thing, and now I landed over here. So that's how it helped me. Thank you.